Now I'm going inside to explain. I told you we have the natural names, standard names of these notes of FL string. I told you this one is E string. This one, the first from down. This is, how can I show you? This one. This one is E string. This is string. We have followed by A string. After A string, we go to D string. D string is number 3 from downwards. This is D string. After D string, we have G string, number 4 from downwards. This is G string. We have the P string. The P string is here. Then we have the last one. It is the E, like the first down note there. We have this is E string. This E, this one and this one. The first and the last string. That's the string number 1 and string number 6 are E strings. That is E strings. So today I may start by showing you the first chord, which you have to start with. I don't want to go very fast, because if I go very fast, you may not understand. You need to go step by step, one step at a time. Because if you go very fast, you will end up losing interest. So for those who are the upcoming guitar music players, we have to take this one slowly. Then we go to advanced. Then we go to intermediate. Intermediate, then advanced guitar music technology. It is good to understand this thing. You have to enjoy. This is music. You have to enjoy. If you can't enjoy, then you are not in a music class. So the first chord that I want to show you is C. C major chord. It is very common. So when the C chord, you have to hold your fingers like this. This finger. Let me explain also about fingers. You have your fingers. You should know them by their names. You have this is pinky. This small one, it is pinky. Pinky. When I say use your pinky, you use this one. We have this one. This one is the ring finger. This is the ring finger. When I tell you, you use this one. When I say ring, you go to this one. Though we have this one. This is the middle finger. When I say use your middle finger, you should know this is the middle finger. Then this one is the index. And we have this one as the thumb. So I just understand your finger, so that you can hold where we want. That is what we call it. When we start using this one, in music, when you are playing a guitar, we call it fingering. And this one, it is used for plucking. Sawa? And sometimes we call it strumming. That is English. I'm not good in pronunciation, but you understand what I mean. So when you are plucking, use this one, and this one is good to know these names so that I can tell you. For an example, when I say that use your index finger to hold the second string, that is A string. A string at the first fret. This is the first fret, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Where I told you the first octave ends here. When you are finished here, the note which was here, it will also start at 1 here. So I will tell you this. So this finger, you got the index, will be holding the A string at the first fret. Then your middle finger will be holding the second fret at the G string. Then your ring finger will be holding at the third string, the B string at 30 frets. So your finger will be looking like this. So you hold here this one, then this one, then the last one here. So that you play, then you will hear the voice, the sound coming. It's very nice. That is C. Hiyo ndio C by friend. That's the chord, the first chord which I have to explain to you. The open chord, it is C. The first, I told you, you hold your index finger at the second, at the A string, just the first fret. The first fret at the A string, then you go to G string at the second fret. G string at the second fret, you use your middle finger. Then your ring finger will be holding at this third fret, the string which is P string. Then you strum or you pluck. That is the voice which comes out. So make sure you understand this first chord. As we go for the second one, you have mastered this one. If you have any question, let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and may God bless you as you continue to understand this instrument for the service of God. Thank you for watching. That is our second lesson. Nice. Tutaanza kucheza mawimbo, lakini for now let us understand that God. If you have any question, you can ask. If I'm not audible, I can explain again. so that we can continue with the same spirit. May God bless you.